What's going on, guys? Daniel Chipman here from the Subi Sickness. In this episode, the Subi Sim gets a facelift, so stay tuned.
I think I'm on top of the world, I'm feeling like no one can stop me. I feel like Rocky, they wanna comfort a kid. I'm ducking and weaving like Ali, can no one top me? Think I won't make it, then watch me. I live to work, I don't need me no hobbies. I got these rappers all praying like Gandhi. I'm about to blow up and go kamikaze, yeah. I think I'm on top of the world, can't nobody stop me. We the new wave.
You guys haven't seen the video of the Subaru simulator in action, go check it out. It's on my channel, but I'll also leave a link in the description.
Vibe, 5 years ago had a dream and a vision, one that would turn reality to fiction. Said fuck it, I'm tired of sitting and wishing I switched the position to go in and get it. Dad and it started to vanish with limits. It was like magic, but the only gimmick is hard work, enslaving and drowning out critics until you blow up and you screaming I did it. Believe me, I live it. I said that shit in a song, then believe me, I did it. Refusing belief and just not being with it will leave you behind in the dust or a divot. I wish I was kidding. I just went off and dipped out on the missus, cause I felt like she wasn't down for the vision that caused the division. I made the decision to quit it. I'm done.
Now that I've kind of finished the mock-up a little bit, let me show you how it looks. The upper fenders here need to be spaced out a little bit because I want to put the hood on there. And this is how it looks. It's kind of long. She's pretty slammed. It's just, you know, how it ended up working out. I wanted to have it you know, kind of like a wide body look, but just the way it sits, I can't really do it, and I don't want to cut the fenders. But look at this shit. Who wouldn't want a WRX in their living room? Alright, if you like what you're seeing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because I'm always building crazy shit like this. Just wait until you see my EJ205 coffee table that I made. I cut out the whole top of it, put an electric chain drive motor to the crank in the oil pan, and so when you push a button, the whole thing turns over. You can see it through the glass. It's pretty sick. I'll be doing an episode on that soon, so have a look out for that.
346 minutes later.
I kind of moved some shit out of the way, and it's starting to line up pretty nice. What I decided to do here is just mount this with the little bolt here. I'm gonna, you know, play with where I mount it, depending on where this door lines up with the dash. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna put this rusty ass door on the jack and just try and get the right placement of it all so I can line up everything else accordingly. Alright, so the issue I'm having right now is that the fender is too high for the dash placement. So when I get the door all lined up to the front fender nicely, the interior panel right here sits too high. So what I'm trying to do now is trying to see how low I can get this fender, but you know, I don't have to worry obviously about turning and rubbing issues, but literally I have no more clearance to bring the fender down any further. So, and I don't want to kick the tire in any further, so I'm gonna, you know, smoke one and think about it. Alright guys, so the battery died on my camera. I had to charge it up, and I was just messing with this thing and messing with this thing. Just trying to get all the body lines right the way I wanted. I wanted it not to be so low, but it's cool. I like it that it's low, but I kind of wanted the edge of the rim to show. But you know, whatever, fitment issues, right? But anyways, I got this to the seam pretty damn good for the door. So now I'm just gonna weld this here as like a bolt for this to mount up to. So that's what I'm doing now. starting to be finalized here, so stay tuned. Should have probably hit this up with a grinder, but I've been so like adamant about this fitment. I don't want to move anything right now. I just want to fucking tack it into place, and I'm flux core welding anyway, so hopefully it fucking penetrates good. Of course. Ran out of fucking welding wire. Gotta love it. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Gotta go pick up some welding wire and a few other supplies. And stay tuned to next episode where I weld in some sort of structure to hold up the fenders and the door hinge, because I want the doors to open and close and all that good stuff. So I know some of you guys have wives and children and all that stuff, so and your wife is probably staring at you right now like there's no way in hell you're building this in our living room. And you know, that brings me to my next point. Don't change the person you are just, you know, for something. But you know, I guess it eventually evolves into love. But you know, you gotta find someone who is happy with who you are, and then that way you never have to change, and only change for the good, and don't stifle those dreams that you have in life. And I know, you know, the living room is probably not the best place for it, but how sick is this thing gonna look on the hardwood floors, all cleaned up? I'll have my EJ 205 coffee table just chilling. You know, like it's gonna be sick. So, this is Daniel Chipman from the Subi Sickness. Don't forget to live your dreams.